And devotees have been flocking to Ayodhya for the first anniversary of Ram Mandir's Pran Pratishtha ceremony today. To mark the occasion, a series of spiritual events and cultural programs that have been organized at the temple premises, attended by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath himself. And as we speak, these are visuals from the holy temple town of Ayodhya, which is celebrating 1-year anniversary of the Pran Pratishtha ceremony. Devotees are thronging in thousands as the Ram Janmabhoomi temple marks 1 year. The Pran Pratishtha ceremony of the Ram Mandir was held on 22nd of January last year. The anniversary celebrations were held today as per the Hindu calendar. Ram Lalla's Maha Abhishek was done at the Ram Janmabhoomi temple on the occasion.
Just in front of the temple, and I will be showing you a few visuals. See, this is the decoration done in front of the temple place, and here we can see a crowd coming from all over the country. Here we have people coming from south of India, from Tamil Nadu, from Andhra Pradesh, from Nepal also, and from eastern part of India also. So they all are coming from various part of India, and they are here for the celebration. It's been a year after the Pran Pratishtha of the temple, and here they are. You see, we will be watching a longer queue. The people who are waiting to do the darshan today, it's too much crowd today, and they are expecting that more than 10 lakh of people will be doing darshan today.
Prime Minister Modi took to social media to say that the temple, built after centuries of sacrifice, penance and struggle, is a great heritage of our culture and spirituality. Greetings on the occasion also came in from Union Minister JP Nadda, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma and others.
जो रामलला के वार्षिक उत्सव मनाया जा रहा है बहुत अच्छे ढंग से मनाया जा रहा है और पूरी अयोध्या को सजाया गया है और विशेषकर सभी मंदिर के लोग भी एक प्रकार से उत्सव मनाएंगे तो ये हो रहा है ये बहुत अच्छे ढंग से हो रहा है.
UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also arrived at the temple on the occasion. Addressing the visiting devotees at the grand anniversary event, Yogi Adityanath invoked the landmark Supreme Court verdict that paved the way for the construction of the Ram temple, ending a 500-year wait.
जब भारत की न्यायपालिका ने संवैधानिक तरीके से सर्वसम्मत से यह निर्णय सुनाया कि अयोध्या में जहां पर विवादित ढांचा था वह राम जन्मभूमि है और वहां पर एक ट्रस्ट गठित करते हुए प्रभु श्री राम लला के भव्य मंदिर के निर्माण का मार्ग प्रशस्त होना ही चाहिए. यह कार्य संपन्न होने के उपरांत 5 अगस्त 2020 को इसी अयोध्या धाम में आकर के देश के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने आकर के प्रभु श्री राम लला के भव्य मंदिर के कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ किया.
On the makeover of Lord Ram's birthplace, Yogi said, from going without electricity not too long ago, Ayodhya has now emerged as India's first solar city.
आज तो आप कहीं भी जाएंगे अयोध्या में, अयोध्या होने का एहसास कराता है. आज हमारी अयोध्या देश की पहली सोलर सिटी बन चुकी है. पहली सोलर सिटी, सूर्य वंश की राजधानी है, पहली सोलर सिटी अयोध्या बन चुकी है. ये जो बिजली यहां दिखती है ना, जलती है स्ट्रीट लाइट के रूप में घरों में, ये किसी थर्मल पावर स्टेशन से नहीं, किसी हाइड्रो पावर स्टेशन से नहीं, बल्कि सूर्य की रोशनी से जो ऊर्जा पैदा होती है उससे ये बिजली जलती है और उसी बिजली को पूरी अयोध्या उसी का उपयोग करता है.
Renewing his unity pitch, Yogi Adityanath said there could be similar struggles as the protected Ram temple movement if the people remain divided.
किन कारणों से, वे कौन सी परिस्थितियां थी कि समाज बटा हुआ था और हमारे पूज्य आराध्य देव स्थल अपमानित हो रहे थे। अगर हम जाति के नाम पर और तमाम अन्य वादों के आधार पर विभाजित रहेंगे तो इस प्रकार की अपमानजनक स्थितियों का सामना हम सबको निरंतर करना पड़ सकता है। और इसलिए आज की आवश्यकता वही है जो न केवल हमारे वर्तमान को बल्कि भविष्य को भी सुरक्षित रख सकता है। उस एकता के सूत्र में बांधने के लिए, राष्ट्रीय एकात्मता के लिए कार्य करने के संकल्प के साथ जब हम जुड़ेंगे, याद रखना राष्ट्रीय एकात्मता की कड़ी मजबूत होगी, सनातन धर्म भी मजबूत होगा।
Yogi also pictured visiting and paying respects at many economic opportunities have been created in Ayodhya after the installation of Ram Lalla's idol. Tourism also saw a surge in Ayodhya. After the installation of Ram Lalla in Ayodhya, many employment opportunities have been created. Along with the works related to construction of the temple, the arrival of tourists has also created new employment opportunities. Hotels, homestays, restaurants, travel agencies and works related to local means of transport have increased. Bars, restaurants, bhojanalayas have opened near the temple gate, which is benefiting the employed people. The devotees are passing through the streets of Ayodhya dancing and singing Ram bhajans. There are hundreds of devotees with mridangs in their hands and different kinds of musical instruments, and they are dancing on the streets of Ayodhya while singing Jai Shri Ram bhajans.